Ever wondered what it truly takes to achieve million-dollar success in the world of self-publishing? We're not talking about the surface-level strategies or the fleeting trends that promise overnight riches. We're diving deep, beyond the hype and the misleading claims, to uncover the genuine, proven methods that are transforming ordinary individuals into self-publishing millionaires. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes and the empty promises. This is about real strategies, actionable steps, and a clear roadmap to building a sustainable and profitable self-publishing empire. Imagine turning your passion, your knowledge, or even just a compelling idea into a consistent stream of passive income. It's not a pipe dream. It's an achievable reality for those who are willing to learn and implement the right strategies. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets that separate the successful self-publishers from the rest? Are you prepared to discover the real engine behind those impressive income reports and inspiring success stories? We're cutting through the noise, bypassing the fluff, and exposing the actual, concrete steps that real people are leveraging to generate not just comfortable incomes, but substantial wealth. We're talking 6- and even 7-figure earnings. This isn't about luck or chance. It's about understanding the self-publishing landscape, mastering the key elements of book creation and marketing, and building a system that consistently delivers results. Think about the freedom and flexibility that comes with generating a significant income from your own creative work. Imagine the possibilities: financial security, the ability to pursue your passions, and the satisfaction of building something truly valuable. But achieving this level of success requires more than just writing a book and uploading it to Amazon. It demands a strategic approach, a commitment to continuous learning, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing dynamics of the self-publishing market. Stick with me, because I'm about to reveal the comprehensive blueprint that outlines exactly how regular, everyday people are transforming seemingly simple books into powerful, passive income machines. And the best part? You don't even have to consider yourself a writer to make this work. This is about leveraging your unique skills, knowledge, and experiences to create valuable content that resonates with a specific audience. We'll explore the essential elements of successful self-publishing, from identifying profitable niches and crafting compelling book concepts, to mastering the art of book marketing and building a loyal readership. You'll learn how to outsource the writing process if needed, how to create high-quality books that stand out from the competition, and how to effectively promote your books to reach a wider audience. This is your opportunity to tap into the immense potential of the self-publishing industry and create a sustainable source of passive income that can transform your life. First, let's get one thing straight. Self-publishing is a business, not a side hustle. It's about solving problems, filling niches, and publishing strategically. Here's the real gold: niches. Million-dollar publishers don't guess, they research. Go deep, not broad. Don't publish a fitness journal. Publish a 12-week strength tracker for busy moms. To truly dominate your niche, study your audience's pain points and desires. Analyze top-selling books in your category. Read reviews and identify gaps you can fill. The most successful self-publishers are relentless researchers, always looking for ways to offer unique value and stand out from the crowd. Here's where most people get stuck: the dreaded blank page, the cursor blinking mockingly. "But I'm not a writer," they lament, convinced that crafting compelling prose is some mystical art form reserved for the chosen few. The truth is far less intimidating. Good news? You don't have to be a literary genius to create and publish a successful book. The digital age has democratized the writing process, offering tools and resources that empower anyone to bring their ideas to life. We're not talking about replacing human creativity entirely, but rather augmenting it, streamlining the process, and breaking down those initial barriers that often lead to procrastination and self-doubt. Think of it as having a co-author, a tireless assistant ready to help you articulate your thoughts and structure your content. The secret weapon in your arsenal? Artificial intelligence. Use ChatGPT for content generation, brainstorming ideas, and even refining your writing style. It can help you overcome writer's block, explore different perspectives, and ensure your book is well-structured and engaging. Then, turn to Canva for covers. No need to hire expensive graphic designers. Canva provides intuitive tools and templates to create professional-looking covers that grab attention. And for the interior layout, BookBolt is your friend. It simplifies the formatting process, ensuring your book looks polished and professional, ready for print or digital distribution. The key is to leverage these tools strategically, using them to enhance your own expertise and creativity. Remember, these are aids, not replacements. Your unique voice and perspective are what will ultimately resonate with readers. If you can solve a problem, offer valuable insights, or entertain your audience, you can publish a book that sells. It's about identifying a need and fulfilling it with your knowledge and passion. Publishing your book is a significant achievement, a testament to your hard work and dedication. But it's only half the battle. Think of it as opening a store in a bustling city. You've got a great product, but if no one knows you exist, you won't make any sales. The other half of the equation, getting found. In the vast digital marketplace of Amazon and other online retailers, visibility is paramount. You need to optimize your book listing, employ effective marketing strategies, and build a strong online presence to attract potential readers. To truly maximize your book's visibility and sales, you need to embrace advanced marketing strategies. Consider running targeted Amazon ads, building an email list of engaged readers, and collaborating with influencers in your niche. Analyze your sales data regularly to identify trends and opportunities for growth. Experiment with pricing, keywords, and promotional campaigns to see what resonates best with your audience. Remember, successful self-publishers treat marketing as an ongoing process, not a one-time event. By staying proactive and data-driven, you can continually improve your results and build a lasting presence in the self-publishing world. Your book title is your storefront, the first thing potential readers see. It's your opportunity to make a strong first impression, to pique their curiosity, and to convince them that your book is worth their time and money. Make it impossible to ignore. Craft a title that is both informative and intriguing, that accurately reflects the content of your book, while also hinting at the value it offers. Think about the keywords your target audience might be searching for, and incorporate them into your title. A well-crafted title is not just a label. It's a powerful marketing tool that can significantly impact your book's success. Once you have one book that sells, the game changes. You've proven the concept, you've found an audience, and now it's time to scale. Million-dollar publishers don't just rely on single titles. They create series, bundles, and turn books into multiple income streams. Think about it. One book is a product, but a series is a brand. A brand that readers can invest in, follow, and eagerly await the next installment. This is where the real potential lies, in building a loyal readership that comes back for more. We're not just talking about selling books. We're talking about building a sustainable, scalable business around your writing. It's about understanding the market, identifying opportunities, and strategically expanding your reach. Here's the real secret, the key that unlocks the door to long-term success. Treat each book like digital real estate. Each one is a property that can generate income, build equity, and contribute to your overall portfolio. Stack them like assets, creating a diverse and resilient income stream. Don't just publish and forget, nurture each book, promote it consistently, and explore different ways to monetize it. Think beyond just ebook sales. Consider audiobooks, paperbacks, large print editions, translations, and even merchandise. Each format and platform represents a new opportunity to reach a wider audience and generate additional revenue. It's about maximizing the potential of each book and building a portfolio of assets that work for you, even while you sleep. To truly unlock the full earning potential of your self-publishing business, think beyond just books. The most successful publishers diversify their income streams by licensing foreign rights, creating online courses based on their content, and building engaged communities around their brand. Consider offering exclusive content, hosting webinars, or launching a membership site for your most dedicated readers. Explore opportunities to collaborate with other authors, bundle your books with related products, or even license your intellectual property for adaptations in other media. The possibilities are endless when you treat your books as the foundation for a broader business ecosystem. By continually innovating and expanding your offerings, You can create a resilient, scalable business that thrives in any market condition. Self-publishing can change your life, offering you creative freedom, control over your work, and the potential for significant financial rewards. But it only works if you treat it like a real business. This isn't a hobby. It's a venture that requires planning, investment, and consistent effort. You need to think like an entrepreneur, not just a writer. That means setting goals, tracking your progress, analyzing your results, and constantly adapting your strategy. It means investing in your skills, learning about marketing, and building a network of support. It means treating your books as products, your readers as customers, and your writing as a business. If this helped you understand the potential of scaling your self-publishing business, hit like to show your support, subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights, and comment below which part helped you most. Was it the series strategy, the income stacking approach, or the mindset shift towards treating your writing like a business? We want to hear from you. And don't forget to check the description for your free publishing checklist. It's packed with actionable steps to help you get started on your self-publishing journey and build a successful, sustainable business. This checklist will guide you through the essential steps, from writing and editing to formatting and marketing, ensuring you have a solid foundation for your publishing success. Before you go, here are 3 bonus tips to supercharge your self-publishing journey. First, always keep learning. Follow industry news, join author communities, and invest in your skills. Second, build your author brand. Create a professional website, engage with readers on social media, and share your story. Third, never underestimate the power of persistence. Success rarely happens overnight, but with consistent effort, your results will compound over time. Remember, every bestseller started as a blank page. Your next chapter could be the one that changes everything. Keep writing, keep publishing, and keep believing in your vision. Here are 3 more bonus tips to elevate your self-publishing journey. First, embrace feedback. Constructive criticism from readers and peers can help you improve your craft and produce better books. Second, automate your workflow. Use tools for scheduling posts, tracking sales, and managing your author platform to save time and stay organized. Third, celebrate your milestones. Acknowledge every achievement, big or small, to stay motivated and enjoy the process. Remember, every step forward is progress on your publishing path. Here are 3 final bonus tips to keep your self-publishing journey thriving. First, network with other authors. Collaboration can open doors to new audiences and fresh ideas. Second, stay adaptable. Embrace new publishing trends and technologies to stay ahead of the curve. Third, remember your why. Keep your passion and purpose at the heart of your work to stay motivated through challenges. Every step you take brings you closer to your publishing dreams. Keep going and celebrate every win along the way. Here's one final bonus tip to fuel your self-publishing journey. Never stop dreaming big. Every bestseller started as a simple idea, nurtured with passion and persistence. Surround yourself with inspiration, keep learning, and remember, your story matters. The world is waiting for your voice. Keep writing, keep believing, and let your next chapter be your greatest yet. Here's a final encouragement for your journey. Remember, every word you write is a step forward. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and trust that your dedication will pay off. The world needs your unique voice and perspective. Keep pushing boundaries, keep learning, and never stop believing in your story. Your next breakthrough could be just 1 page away. As you close this chapter, remember, every great author started with a single page, a single idea, and the courage to share their story. Your journey is just beginning. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the small wins, and keep moving forward. The world is waiting for your words, so write boldly, dream big, and let your story inspire others. Your legacy starts now. As you step into your next chapter, remember, every day is a fresh page. Your story is still being written, and the world is waiting to be inspired by your words. Take bold steps, embrace new challenges, and let your passion lead the way. The journey of 1,000 books begins with a single word. So write it, share it, and make your mark. Your legacy is just beginning.